When it comes to managing construction drawings, CoConstruct and PlanGrid are two of the biggest players. But which one really stands out for your construction project needs? Well, stick around because we're going to break down both software options and look at which one might be the best fit for your workflow. By the end of this video, you'll have all the info you need to make the right decision. Plus, I'll share a better alternative that might just be the solution you're looking for. Let's kick things off with ease of use. Both CoConstruct and PlanGrid have user-friendly interfaces, but there's a clear difference in their approach. CoConstruct is designed specifically for residential builders and remodelers, and its features are geared towards making project management as simple as possible. You get all your construction drawings, budgeting, and scheduling in one place, but it can feel a bit more clunky when it comes to drawing management, especially if you're used to specialized software. PlanGrid, on the other hand, focuses heavily on blueprints and construction drawings, making it a top choice for companies that need to view, mark up, and share drawings on the go. The touch interface is smooth, and for a lot of users, this is where PlanGrid shines. Next thing to consider is integration and collaboration. CoConstruct shines in this area because of its ability to integrate smoothly with accounting software like QuickBooks and Xero. This makes managing costs, change orders, and client communication seamless. Plus, CoConstruct's collaboration tools allow your team to stay on the same page across different project phases. However, when it comes to just drawing management and collaboration around blueprints, PlanGrid takes the upper hand with its powerful features for instant updates, real-time markups, and easy document sharing across teams. The focus on drawings makes it an excellent tool if you have a lot of people working directly with construction documents. The third factor we need to talk about is mobile functionality. CoConstruct has a mobile app, but some users have reported that it's not as robust as the desktop version, especially when managing complex drawings or interacting with detailed project plans. In contrast, PlanGrid is known for its excellent mobile app. If you're out in the field, PlanGrid allows your team to access, mark up, and share blueprints with ease from just about anywhere. This can save a ton of time and improve communication when on-site issues come up that need immediate attention. Moving on to pricing. CoConstruct's pricing model is based on subscription tiers, and it can be on the pricier side for smaller teams or individuals. While it offers a lot of features in terms of project management, the cost may be a barrier if you're only focused on construction drawings and don't need the full range of tools. PlanGrid offers different pricing plans depending on the number of users and features, but it's generally considered to be more affordable for teams that only need a strong focus on construction drawings. So, if you're looking for an affordable, straightforward drawing management solution, PlanGrid may be a better option, especially when comparing both to CoConstruct's broader project management offerings. Now, let's get to the cons. CoConstruct is great for managing overall projects, but not ideal for heavy-duty drawing management. Some users have mentioned it lacks certain advanced markup features that specialized drawing software, like PlanGrid, excels in. CoConstruct also doesn't focus as heavily on drawing updates, which means you might find yourself juggling between different platforms to keep things in sync. PlanGrid, on the other hand, while incredible for drawing management, lacks the broader project management tools that CoConstruct offers. So if you need a more all-encompassing software for running an entire construction business, PlanGrid might feel a bit limiting. At this point, you might be thinking that both of these tools have their strengths and weaknesses. But after trying them both out for myself, I can confidently say that while both CoConstruct and PlanGrid are solid options for construction drawing management, there's one alternative that has outperformed both of them in this specific area. If you're looking for something that can handle construction drawing management with even more ease and offer additional benefits, check out the link in the description. Through our exclusive link, you'll get the best free trial and benefits that are only available to our viewers. Trust me, this tool is a game changer for managing your construction drawings. Don't miss out. Click that link and see the difference for yourself.